We're having a skimmer separated hybrid that can remove surface pollution from the water surface. And we have different kind of products. We've divided the market in two segments. So we have the industrial wastewater and we also have the wastewater treatment plants. So we have a variety there. So in our industrial segment, we talk about refineries, big industries, steel mills and so on. And then we have the public sort of wastewater treatment plant when we take care of floating sludge. So we're having different kind of options for the customers, because you can buy it, have it as your own and install it in your plants, or you can have a rental option. Because a lot of our customers have wanted to try for a while and then they decided to buy it, or they can just rent it out as a service. Because our aim is to treat water, because we all need to do that. And we have sold more than 40 products, and this year is the peak is going higher because the demand is so big now. Since the COP26 and all of those aims that we have, reducing methane gas and things like that. So our aim is for next year to at least sell 100 products worldwide, because the more surf cleaners out there, the cleaner the world will be. So that's our aim. So we have sold to refineries and big brands like ExxonMobil, Sonatrach in Sicily, and also to a new steel mill in Argentina actually. So we're going to install it in a couple of weeks. So I think that the need is really great. So that's why we're focusing on different other countries than in Sweden. So we are focusing on expanding in other countries to partnerships and distributors, because you cannot do it alone. So that's what we're aiming for now. So our aim is to have distributors that help us to sell and also do the installation, and because every country is different. But our aim is to be present in all of the countries in the world, because especially in the US, because the market is so huge for wastewater treatment. I think it's around $208 billion or something like that. So it's really huge for us. So we're gonna focus on expansion, and we have 3 products. A small one that's portable and you can put into oil harbors or minor oil spills, and also the big one that we have for ATEX approved, so we have a certification for explosion class. And then we have our wastewater product that we're testing in Sweden right now to take care of floating sludge, because that's a resource to take care of that. And either you can produce methane gas, or you can dry it and use it as a fertilizer. So it's the circular economy is something that we focus on. And the refineries as well, because they can take care of their pollution on the API basins. And there's no methane gas vaporizing, and you can reuse it back to the refinery. So it's a win-win for everybody. We are quite a small company right now, situated in Sweden. So that's where we want to talk to you guys and just to let know that we're here. So that they know about us, because we know that different kind of regulations are coming, especially for the oil business, because you have to take care of your waste. There's going to be a carbon tax, as a lot of these things making your profit less. So we want to help the companies to take responsibility for that. So make the industry cleaner while we still need oil for certain things in the world, but also trying to do the research to reuse sludge, because only 20% of our wastewater is cleaned. I mean, that's really low. And I mean, the aims for the UN aims are, I think it's 60% by 2030. And how are we going to do that? So that's why we need to grow fast because the more SurfCleaner, then we can at least treat more wastewater. So we're doing research right now at 2 big wastewater treatment plants in Sweden, Tekniska Verken and Nodra. So we're investigating how our SurfCleaner will affect the wastewater treatment plants in efficiency and also energy efficiency, and also the circular economy to reuse what you can take out, because floating sludge is a problem that everybody has and you don't want to have it. So the solutions today, there aren't any mechanical solutions right now. So you're flushing with pressurized water or using vacuum trucks. But then you get a lot of water and it's a misuse of energy actually. And our competitors, when it comes to oil, they are really struggling with diesel and thin sheets because it's really difficult to take out. And those are the ones that will vaporize really fast. So you have to be fast and you have to do it efficiently. Also, the maintenance and the downtime for the refineries are much less. And that's something that our reference customers have said to us, that we don't need to have the refinery on hold for several days. You just take out the SurfCleaner and flush it with a hose, and 30 minutes later you can put it down again, because it's so simple. It's a little propeller in the bottom and also a bellow. That's the only moving part that's in SurfCleaner. I totally agree, because there's a lot of local regulations coming up right now, because that was the case in Sicily actually, because there was a lot of cancer cases close to the refineries, and they had to take responsibility to reduce their methane gas. And that's the same with, we want to help the industry to take responsibility and also get the politicians to understand, well, there are solutions out there that can help us to do this. And if they don't know about us, they can't sort of set the rules or recommend us, and so. I mean, we know that we can make a real difference when it comes to cleaner water that we discussed, and also reduce methane gas and improve the circular economy, because it's important to have all these green options, but you have to make sure that it does something for real, that you can actually reuse things and you can earn money from it and you can get green, because that's our aim anyway, to help out and do something for real.